More and more people suffer from breathing difficulties due to allergies, colds, and sinusitis. Recent data shows that more than 50% of the European population suffers from nasal disorders at least once a year. These disorders prevent proper airflow in the respiratory tract, causing severe discomfort, including rhinitis, sinusitis, snoring and nocturnal apnea, and obstructing proper oxygenation of the body. From Otosan Research and Development comes Otosan Nasal Wash, the natural solution for practical daily cleansing. Otosan Nasal Wash is very easy to use. First of all, you need to fill the bottle with lukewarm drinking water, up to the 240 milliliter level. Pour 1 sachet inside it to obtain an isotonic solution, ideal for preventative cleansing and in case of common colds and allergies. Or 2 sachets to obtain a hypertonic solution, more effective in case of severe congestion, chronic sinusitis, and post-surgery. Shake until the solution has dissolved. Bend your head forward slightly without tilting it laterally, and insert the bottle nozzle into one nostril. Thanks to the handy dispenser with the inner straw, all you need to do is press gently and wait for the solution to pour into your nose, coming out of the opposite nostril. When washing, breathe with your mouth open. Keep your head bent forward briefly, and then repeat the same operation on the other nostril. To conclude, blow your nose gently. The benefits will be instant. Otosan Nasal Wash will clear your nose, helping to remove mucus, scabs, and other pathogens, restoring hydration and elasticity to the mucous membrane of the nose. And at last, you can breathe freely. Otosan Nasal Wash is suitable for daily cleansing, rhinitis and sinusitis, allergies, pre- and post-nasal surgery, snoring. Free from preservatives, no pharmacological substances, with the addition of hyaluronic acid, moisturizing and protective, suitable for pregnant women and children with the help of an adult. Otosan, we take care of you naturally.